Formal greetings in English: doctor, professor, and other titles. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. In today's lesson, we're focusing on a crucial aspect of formal greetings: using professional titles correctly. This will help you not only show respect in your conversations but also make a professional impression. Before we dive into specific titles, let's understand why they are important. In English, we use titles to show respect and acknowledge someone's accomplishments. This is especially true in formal situations like a business meeting, an academic setting, or when meeting someone for the first time. It's always a good practice to use titles unless the person has given you permission to use their first name. Now, let's move on to some of the most commonly used professional titles. Doctor. Doctor is a title used before the names of individuals who hold a doctorate degree. This could be a PhD or a medical degree. For example, Dr. Smith, or Dr. Johnson. Professor. Professor is short for professor. This title is used for individuals who teach at a college or university level. For example, Professor Johnson. Remember, it's always safe to use these titles in a professional or academic context until the person invites you to use their first name. Apart from doctor and professor, there are several other professional titles you might come across. Mr., Mrs., Ms., and Miss. Mr. is used for men, Mrs. for married women, Ms. for women regardless of their marital status, and Miss for young, unmarried women. Sir or Madam. These are used when you don't know the person's name. Sir is used for men and Madam for women. Let's put what we've learned into practice with some examples. Dr. Patel, it's a pleasure to meet you. Professor Anderson, could you explain this concept further? I'm not sure, sir. Could you guide me to the conference room? Good morning, Mrs. Thompson. That's a wrap on today's lesson on using professional titles in formal greetings. Remember, using the correct title is a sign of respect and professionalism. It's an important part of making a positive first impression. Keep practicing what you've learned today, and you'll soon master the art of formal English greetings. Until our next lesson, happy learning!